If you are on time, then you're already late. Yes, that's a very famous quote. So time punctuality plays a key role in your entire interviewing process, because that shows the guest, that shows your audience how serious of an interviewer you are, how serious you are with your work. For example, if you have given time to a guest of 9 a.m., make sure that you have saved the date, day and time in your Google Calendar, and instead of 9, put it as 8:30, so that you can show up half an hour before. You can do your research work, and you can do all of the relevant work before, and you can also ask your guests to come 10 minutes before time, so that you can share the basic interview structure with them and have some casual conversation before the interview, because many times your guests are also in a bit panic mode because they are going live for the first time. So if you get them on the set on StreamYard before 10 minutes and you just have some conversation with them, their panic level goes down, and you build up a rapport with them, a connection with them that helps you get good answers out of good questions from your guests. So be on time always, and if your guest comes before time, that's good. If they do not come on time, make sure that you remind them. Your reminders play a very vital role in getting your guests on time, because we hear it very often that guests forget the interview dates or time, and they do not show up at the given interview time. So while you have worked very hard to get the acceptance from the guest, and you're right there for the interview, but the guests do not show up, so it completely wastes your effort. So make sure that you remind your guest 1 day before, 2 hours before, and 30 minutes before. And if you do this, trust me, your guest is going to show up on your interview on time, and you're going to get an amazing response from your interviewer, from your guest. Thank you so much.